Hello everyone, my name is Kaya. Привет всем, меня зовут Kaya, and I will teach you Russian language. In my previous video, I was explaining about Russian alphabet and I categorized it into 4 types. The first type is the true friends, the second type is the false friends, the third type is the new friends, and the fourth type is the strangers. And if you haven't seen my previous video before, I will leave link in the description below, so you can watch it later. And today I will explain you about the first type, the true friends, and we will look deep into 2 letters, letter A and the letter K. Letter A. The Russian letter A looks like the English letter A and makes similar sound to English. That's why it is true friend. It is the first letter of the Russian alphabet and it's called A in Russian. For example, in the word father, which means papa in Russian, the letter A makes same sound in both words. When you see the letter A in any word, you should pronounce it just like in English. It is a simple sound that's easy to remember and practice. I will give you some examples with sound A so you can practice and feel comfortable with the sound and learn new words. Let's take word mama. Mama, which means mom. Машина, машина, which means car. In this word you can clearly see that the letter A sounds the same in both languages. The next word is alphabet, alphabet, alphabet. And the last word to practice is aromat, aromat, aroma. Letter K. The Russian letter K looks like English letter K and makes a similar sound in English, for example, in the word kite. And that's why we have this letter in the first type of our category, the true friends. It is the 11th letter of Russian alphabet and it's called K, K in Russian. When you see the letter K in a word, you pronounce it like K. Here is a simple example. The word kot, kot. This means the cat, male cat. It starts with the letter K. When you say kot, you start with the K sound for the first letter, just like saying K when you pronounce kite. Here I will give you some more examples of K so you get comfortable with the sound. Let's take word kak, kak, which means how. Next example is классно, классно. It means cool. And the next word is кошка, кошка, which means also cat, but female. And кот, also cat, but male. And the last example is кухня, кухня, kitchen, kitchen. And don't forget to subscribe.